welcome back. Episode 2, building the 2JZ FRS. Last video was all auto body. We painted the car Millennium Jade, fixed the quarter panel, did a bunch of body work. It looks amazing. So that was back in August. We are now in December. So this is how long COVID has been delaying parts getting in, and just the whole process has taken so long. So right now we are at Speedtech Racing Development, where the car is getting a new clutch and transmission, and we're gonna burn a little bit of titanium and clean up the engine bay in this episode.
That's a big chunk.
That's a big chunk. So a quick backstory here, guys. I bought the car used with the swap in it. The owner was selling it and he said the transmission went, and I decided to just right off the hop, just with the whole delay with COVID, I bought a new CD009. We have a new clutch set up from the Superstore, so they have an actual kit that goes in the CD009. I don't have a lot of footage of putting that in. I bought a new flywheel, took months to get in, and then it finally comes to Speedtech. They pull it and they start pulling things apart. It's not the transmission, it's the rear diff. So, learning curve number 1. I am so impatient. I bought all the parts without actually even pulling the plugs or bringing it to a professional to inspect. Very expensive learning curve, but I won't do that again. So these guys are doing it right. What we're really in the process of is ordering all these parts, because basically we're at crunch time now. It doesn't sound like a lot, but we have 4 or 5 months to get this car completely put together, send it to Matt Lee to get completely retuned, and then finally drive it. But there's so much still to do. So right now we need a new gear set from Yukon Gears because the ring exploded. We are looking at getting a new diff set up, so we're going for with a 1.5 limited slip. And then we're also looking at getting new suspension, new brakes. So there's so much more to come in the next couple videos, but it is legit crunch time. So from here now, in this moment, middle of December, the car is gonna get shipped back to the Posh lab. We're gonna pull a couple pieces off from the engine bay, send it out for powder coat to get rid of that red in the engine bay, clean it all up, go with a black and gold theme, and then we're also gonna completely wrap it in expel. So that's gonna be the next video, probably along with getting the wide body in and so forth. So if you guys are new here, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.